we are here turning on the Christmas lights and... Okay, here we go. So tell me, where are we today? 3, 2, 1. So today we are here turning on the Christmas lights and... 3, 2, 1. So tell me, where are we today? Go French! 3, 2, 1. So just turned up in Kilmarnock to do the Christmas light switch on, and nobody's here. Nobody's turned up. Just kidding! 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1. How well do you know your Christmas songs? Good? Alright, pick it up. Dashing through the snow. Ha ha ha! Dashing through the snow.